What's up, love bugs? I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. Wanted to show you what Picasso art project we're working on. You guys know I love to slay my hair once a day, every day.
I see the sun in the sky of midnight. I see the snow on the field of April. I find the ring on a whole dry desert, but I never find in your heart. Wanna be your charming sunshine, lighting up in your eyes. But in the end, I lost myself on the long path to your heart. I've been burning on myself and tried to light up all your gloom heart. But when the day dies, I find myself in empty swallowed by the dark. I see it on but I can't see you. I've seen the angels in the hill. Oh, now I know nothing will change what I've done. Just making up say yes. I was only a person finding me nice song.
The wig also fits glueless, so we don't have to bond it down at all, and you'll see like how that works out. So I'm not gonna hold you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we do, make sure you subscribe. Oh, when it lays super flat and the hairline is amazing as this one is. I did bump it a little bit tighter under so that it can, you know, give the good cut, and it can just fall naturally throughout, you know, time. But yeah, this one is a low easy maintenance. The only con with a bob this short is obviously the fact that you won't be able to put it in a ponytail. You would have to literally just, you know, throw a bonnet on or wrap it up or something like that. If you are like going to work out, you just wear it down and just secure the edges. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and have it linked in the description box for you guys, and if you missed the details, I'll have all that listed in the description box as well. You guys know I got your back. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!